Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Toyota Alphard Series 10, where I'm just going to go quickly and show you the lights that you can access via the boot lid. So basically you have to remove the interior of the boot lid from here, the trim, and you can see the reversing light across there, and there you've got your night lights. And I believe that this one here can also be wired as a brake light, but I'm not too sure. It has a double filament, although only one filament works. Maybe they use it as something else, I'm not too sure. Anyway, here you can see the lens covering for the license plate light, and on the other side I've removed that one. Notice it's the one on the passenger side that I've removed, because the other light you can gain access quite easily. So this is the trim, and I've got another video on trim removal. Here is, as I said, that night light. Basically, to access this, you pull this out and down that. It's not a special bulb or anything. You can get this bulb anywhere. If you're gaining access, you might have to do that and clip there. Here we've got the reversing light somewhere down there. I don't know where it is, but yep, reversing light down there. My apologies. Okay, reversing light. So the next light we want to go to is this one here, which is the ones for the license plates. This one here is very difficult to access. You can't access it from the back because you can't unscrew the connector and pull it backwards. Okay, this one here you can do. It's got lots of access, so you can gain access to it quite easily. Okay, so you don't need to pop the lens out on this one. Now, for purposes, you can see it's got a clip. There's two clips there, and I push the smaller of the clip and then force the lens out. So push the smaller of the clip and then the lens pops out from the back. So you can do it on this side. Other side, the passenger side, which is this one here, I've done it already. So basically push the smaller clip inwards and then push outwards at the same time, and that will pop it out. So excuse the mess in the car, and here we go, and that's what it looks like. So basically that's all you need to do, is just basically push that light out, and that's me showing pushing the big clip. It's a small clip one, which is easier to gain access to. Okay, so we've done that and we've removed it. We've gone to the bulb, and this is just a 501 bulb. It's just a standard side light bulb that goes in there. Again, nothing special, nothing Japanese about it. And what we're going to do is I'm replacing with these LED bulbs. If you replace with the LED bulbs, make sure they work, because these are light emitting diodes, and diodes only conduct electricity in one direction unless they're built to take it in two. Now, in this case, we are going to find that the pop it in, switch on the night lights and see if those light up. If not, reverse the polarity, turn it around, put it the other way, but don't fit it and don't push the lens covering back in until you've actually checked the light. Okay, these are LEDs, so therefore they're not licensed for the MOT. They will fail the MOT. So if you are using these, then be aware of that. Okay, you might need to change. You may fail the MOT. Now there we go. That's me showing it on. It's on, and basically it goes in there, it just slips in and twists. You'll notice the lugs, one is thick and one is small. It's as simple as that, guys. Don't make it too complex, and once you've done all that, that's your job done. It's just a trim removal, and there's another video on trim removal out there. Take care. Bye.